Good morning, welcome to a morning outlook. This is Kim speaking on Thursday the 5th of March. So looking at the euro dollar first, and well, it's gone a bit of sleep. Let's just look out the dailies there, and it's just chopping along here. It did look at one point yesterday it was going to get much bigger bounce, but it's looking like it's falling over at this stage now. And well, potential, the longer it takes here. There was a bit of divergence at the highs. Previously there, it's drifted off back to its 21, drifted sideways here. Still potential for it to break to the upside here. It's just sort of consolidated in this area, but if it starts breaking beyond the 21, well, further downside is maybe back towards yesterday's lows. That the S1, those prior lows there, would be on the cards. So that's where we sit. I mean, we could just draw straightforward trend lines across the near term high here, and this recent high from yesterday even. So we could just be drawing across there, looking for a break, maybe a break of that 60-minute 50. There's certainly supply at that sort of area, around that 11:45 area, so just watch for that sort of point there. There's plenty of supply sitting. If it can push on through, no more supply, well, we're off to the races. Maybe, well, back up to the highs there, the R1. That's what you refer to as the races. Okay, pound. Well, yesterday it recovered. It was recovering right the way through the day at odd times with little retracements, but it was recovering. And it's pushed on through its weekly pivot now, and well, potentially more in store. As it sits at the moment, it's in between a rock and a hard place. There's the daily pivot below, which may draw it back still, but above we've got the monthly pivot there. It's daily R1, which the way it's drifting here and pushing up here, it may just work its way there this morning. It's only about 20 pips, or 25 pips, but may well do that. So it's the pound. A break of the lows here of this 60-minute 8 sort of area, or just below it, would see me looking to trade it back down towards that daily pivot, of course. Okay, dollar yen. Dollar yen, well, bounced a bit yesterday, back down again this morning. It's consolidating. You see on this foot the large consolidation phases, breaking down, retesting those levels, consolidating. To me, it's not giving a lot of volatility intraday, but may have further downside there, the way it's shaping up at the moment, coming down to the 60 minutes, and well, it's already through its daily pivot S1. We'll see how it turns out here, but it's one I'm not interested in really personally. Aussie dollar, now this has been shoving up pretty well, and it looks like, well, it's already tested that daily 21. Maybe it could continue its route and break through there towards its towards the 50 MA, maybe in the shorter term here, looking prior lows just above, but then there's the monthly R1 of potential. Looking at the lower time frames here, 4 hours not really telling me too much, just steadily picking up there, and higher highs, higher lows running through. At the moment it's lost the momentum a little bit, but it's steady, so and it's generally moving upwards, but nothing there really to look to be trading in for me this morning. But the daily R1's a possibility, but it's not many pips away, but certainly a possibility with that 500 that may provide some stronger resistance, that 60-minute 500. Okay, CAD, we'll have a quick look. Yeah, they did cut rates yesterday. There's the reaction, the 3 o'clock reaction there, the rates cut. And well, there's not much to say about that. I don't day trade it, so it's more a let's have a look at it than anything else. The rates were cut to 125. I think there may be more rate cuts on their way. I haven't seen a statement yet, but I assume that looking at this price action, that there's more expected. So that's where we are at the moment. today, just looking through today's news wise, we've got not a great deal. We've had a trade balance this morning, which was positive for Australia. OPEC meetings are still going on. Watch out for volatility in oil. We've got Bank of England Governor Carney speaking this evening. So that's it. At 5 p.m. There's not anything else significant in terms of trade event risk. Have a great day. Bye for now.